Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I am going to be giving you project overview of Trans India located in Sion Matunga CGS Road. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. You may also have a look at the neighborhood of this project. This road leads you to station. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 3.5 acres with 6 towers, ground plus 47 floors with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the connectivity, this project is located in CGS Colony, Sion Matunga with International Airport at a distance of 20 to 25 minutes. Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 3 minutes, Western Express Highway at a distance of 15 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 96 plus ultra luxurious amenities, which includes 2 half Olympic size swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, gym, banquet hall, and many more. Now talking about carpet area, so this project has 2 configuration, 2 and 3 BHK, where the carpet area for 2 BHK is going to be ranging from 590 to 730 square feet. And for 3 BHK, it's going to be ranging from 950 square feet to 1060 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where a sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the actual flat and sample flat if available. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and then if clients like their project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for all the configuration will be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Trans India located in Wadala. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.